this worse than it really is.
On February 13th, 2021, officers were dispatched to Orlando International Airport after reports that a woman, later identified as Erica Moran, was refusing to comply with the mask mandate, a situation that quickly threw the flight into chaos.
Here she comes, red dress.
Ma'am, how are you doing tonight?
Man, we just need to talk to you outside real quick if you don't mind. Just go ahead.
Not kidding at all. Walk up to the room. Walk up to the problem is that you wouldn't comply with the mask rule on the airplane. Walk
No,
up
I
top.
did. You have the wrong person.
No, we don't.
No, that's not me.
Don't make
not
this
me.
difficult.
This isn't me.
Man,
That's
can we
somebody
just
else.
go outside
My
and
mask
talk,
has
please?
been on me and no one has spoken to me.
Walk up here.
Can you
No one
please
has
go?
spoken to me?
Ma'am, you are
This
holding
entire
up.
time?
Everybody's trying to
I
get
don't know
off
why
the
you guys
plane.
are making this up. That wasn't
We're
me.
not making it up.
You have somebody else? You have the wrong person. You have the wrong person. What is the problem? My mask?
Can you please exit the
You
jetway?
need to leave me alone. You guys have a. You need to. My mask is that big.
Captain, is this the woman that was causing the issue? Okay,
What is
let's
the
go.
problem here?
Can we
My
go?
mask?
Walk.
It was not me.
Walk.
Ma'am, can you go?
I need to be left alone.
No, you
No,
don't.
you're
Yeah, I
not.
do.
Let's go. Ma'am, walk forward.
You guys need to leave me alone.
Ma'am, you are in
That was
a...
the wrong person.
You need to leave.
That's not
hey,
me.
Tell her she needs to leave.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I don't need you guys
Ma'am,
around
he's asking
me.
you to
This
leave.
is illawful.
He is
And
asking
you
you
need
Did
to
you would you like to press charges?
We need you to exit the jet.
I'm calling
Would you like-
my lawyer.
Would you like to press
I'm
charges?
calling my lawyer.
For her to leave.
Are you kidding me? Stop. Okay, what? Stop.
Ma'am.
Because of
You're
my
under
mask?
arrest.
Because of my mask?
Ma'am,
No.
turn around.
What is wrong
Because
with you?
you-
Okay, I'll comply. Please.
Stop resisting.
What is going on here? Please, stop. Stop, please. Okay, I will comply. What do you want from me?
He asked you to leave. We asked you to leave.
Ow!
You're going to leave. Ma'am,
You
stop
broke it. You broke my hand.
Ma'am.
Please, my finger hurts.
Nobody's hurting you.
Please.
Put your hands
Stop.
behind your back.
Ma'am, comply.
Please stop. What is going on here?
Ma'am,
Are you
comply.
kidding me? Stop. You're having me on purpose. You guys are doing this. Stop. Please. Stop. Please. For God's sake, it wasn't
Ma'am.
me.
Ma'am.
What is going on here? Am I being set up
Come on.
for a
Get
mask? It wasn't me. It wasn't
I'll grab her stuff.
my mask. I just want my finger down. Please stop. Don't hurt me. Please, you cracked my arm. My arm is broken now.
You
That's
cracked
my
her?
bracelet. Please, that's my bracelet. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Stop. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What is happening? I need to call my lawyer.
Stop
I need to call my lawyer right now. I need to call my lawyer. Please.
We're 10-4. Can we get a cage car to 125,
You are
please?
hurting me. You literally broke my iPad. It is cracked.
Ma'am, you had it in here. You dropped it.
What is going on? Please leave me alone. Please stop.
Ma'am,
Let
turn
me
around
go.
and walk.
Ow!
Stop
Ow!
resisting.
Will you stop? What is going on
You're
here?
under arrest.
For what?
Trespass at the warning.
Stop. Please stop. Look at my mask. I'm so confused.
No, I need him.
Where's your thing?
Please, what is happening? You broke my belongings. It is on, you cracked my iPad. I need to talk to my lawyer. I need to talk to my lawyer right now. I need to talk to my lawyer. This is unbelievable. That was not me. That wasn't me. I don't know who you're talking about. What is going on here?
Packages and avoid transporting items without their knowledge.
Please, you called the wrong person. That was not me. It wasn't me. I have people next to me saying it wasn't me. Because of my mask?
Yeah, because you wouldn't leave.
I'm leaving, okay?
I
I'm
know you're
leaving.
leaving now.
I'm sorry. Of course I'm leaving. I wanted to talk about this.
No, you didn't want to talk about it.
Because I have paparazzi around me. People are taking photos of me walking off the plane, obvious reasons. I wanted to discuss this in a different manner. Please. It wasn't my mask. My mask? Come on. I can't do this right now. This is not happening.
What's happening?
What is happening?
You're going to jail.
What are you talking about? Stop,
Ma'am,
please, please,
continue
please,
walking.
God,
Stop
please,
resisting.
no, no,
Stop
no,
resisting.
please,
Just walk.
No, God, no.
Ma'am, just walk.
No. What? No, God, please, I can't afford this.
We
I can't.
asked
I
you
have
to
no
leave the
money.
jetway.
Nothing.
You didn't want to listen.
God, please, 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 for God's
Let's go. You gotta walk.
Please, 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 God, no, please, 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 I can't, this can't be my
Ma'am,
life
I need you to walk.
I'm gonna get sick, I'm gonna throw up. Please, 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 no, I gotta talk to my lawyer, this is not right. You guys, please, no, God, please, ow, my elbow, ow!
Ma'am, nobody's doing anything.
Stop,
Just
it
continue
hurts,
walking.
everything hurts.
Stop resisting.
God, no, I can't do this right now, please, God, no.
Right.
Oh my God.
I got the elevator.
Please. What did I do wrong?
You didn't leave when you were
I'm leaving. I didn't mean to. No, it was a setup. This is all set up. Please, God, no. This can't happen to me. No. Oh, God, no. No, please, God, no.
Hold on.
Okay.
Did we not ask you to leave the jetway? Yes or
I'm
no?
leaving. Yes, I
We
left.
did ask you, right?
I left.
You kept saying no,
I
right?
wanted to talk
You
about
didn't leave
this.
until we made
Please,
you.
I'm sorry.
Let's go.
Please, God. No, please. I can't do this. It can't happen to me. Oh my God. You guys, please stop. No. Please, God, no, please, God, no.
Ma'am,
Oh my God, please don't do this
listen
to me.
to me.
You guys don't do
You're
anything.
making this worse than it really is.
Oh my God.
We have you on camera with everything.
Please, I'm
So
sorry.
I need you to stop.
Oh my God, no. Please, I'm so
It's
sorry.
not gonna, the screaming
oh
and
my
all
God,
that is
you
not
guys,
going to change
I'm
the
so
fact.
sorry.
We
Please.
asked you to leave.
Please, let
you
me
didn't
talk
want
to you.
leave. That's it.
Please, God, no.
That's
I can't do this. Okay, I want to leave. I'll leave. I'm
It's
so
too late.
sorry. I'm sorry.
We
I'm
asked you
sorry. I'm so sorry. Please don't do anything. I'm sorry.
I'm going to put
I
her stuff
can't.
in her bag real quick.
I can't. I'm sorry. You guys, I'm so sorry. Please, God, no, please. Oh my God, no, please. You guys, I'm so sorry.
Stay right here.
Oh my God,
Face the truck.
please, God, I'll do anything. I'll do anything. Please,
Do not
God.
move.
I won't move. I swear to God, I won't move. I swear to God.
Is your ID in here? Is your ID in here?
Yes.
Where?
It's in there. You guys, I'm so sorry. Can I call my mom, please?
Stand right there.
My mom.
Don't move. Where's your ID in? Which bag? Ma'am, which bag is your ID in?
I'm so sorry, you guys. Listen, please, you guys, please, I'll do anything. You guys, anything. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, stand right here.
I'm so sorry.
Do not move.
You guys, I am so sorry. Please, it's Valentine's Day. I'm alone. I'm so alone on Valentine's Day. Please, God, I'll do
I'm looking
anything
for her ID.
you. Please, God, please. No. What happened to you?
You.
No, that was not me.
Yeah, it was.
That was not me. No, it wasn't.
Ma'am, his arm was perfectly fine before he interrupted.
No, it wasn't me. That just happened. You walked across your truck. That was not you. You were holding me.
Ma'am, stop.
Stay up to
And
the
stay
truck.
right here.
That was not me.
Stay right here, ma'am.
That was not me.
Face the truck.
That was not me.
Face the truck.
What? That was not me.
I got her.
Officer,
I got
I'm
her.
sorry. That was not me.
Nothing was you.
Officer.
Everything's about
Please look at me.
conspiracy.
Officer, please.
Everything's about conspiracy. Nothing had to do with you. Okay.
Officer, I will do anything for you. I am so
You gotta
sorry.
go to jail, man.
I got the passport so far.
Officer, I am so sorry.
I
I
know.
will do anything. Please look at me, please.
It's okay. You just gotta go to jail.
Officer. Please.
189, can you copy it, DL20?
Nothing at all. You guys, please, Scott. So you have no idea what this is going to do to me.
ERICA, middle of Lima.
You have no idea what this is going to do to me.
Uniform Romeo.
You guys, please,
Indian
Scott.
November.
I'm on my knees.
White female.
I'm so sorry.
11, 21, 88.
You guys, I gotta call my mom. Can I call my mom?
Not right now.
You guys, please.
Not right now.
Please, I'm sorry. You guys, I'm sorry. I will do anything. I will do anything for you.
Where's your license at?
I don't know. I don't know. Officer, what's your name? Adams. Can you please look at me? Officer Adams.
You gotta go to jail.
Why?
You're going to jail. Because they told you to leave and you refused to leave.
I'm leaving. Please.
Too late.
Officer, look
late.
at me. Please, it's
It's
Valentine's
too late.
Day. Please.
You don't have
I'm at the
Valentine's.
mercy. I'm at the mercy of you.
You already said that you don't have
Look at me.
Valentine's.
Please. I will do anything. I'm so sorry. I'm
189
leaving.
EPA on
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I have to go. I leave. Can I please? Officer Adams. Officer Adams, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Officer Adams. Please level with me. I will do anything. I'm so sorry. I am at your mercy. Officer Adams. Officer Adams, I'm at your mercy. I am at your mercy.
I know.
I have.
But you gotta go to jail.
Officer Adams.
It's nothing.
Officer Adams.
It's nothing personal.
It's nothing personal for me.
It's nothing personal.
But please, for
you just
God's
gotta go.
Please, I'm praying. I'm praying. I'm praying. I have no money. I have no. I have nothing. I have no source of income. I have no money. I cannot do this right now. You guys, please. I have no one in my life. I have nothing. This is gonna make my life so much worse. Please, God, please. Officer Adams. Officer Adams, please. Please. Everything has been taken from me, okay? Everything.
Classy operator, expiration 11/21/2026,
I don't know what I did.
All right.
I'm sorry I didn't leave, but I wanted to just talk it out.
Listen to me.
Please.
Woman to woman. Listen to me.
Woman to woman.
Okay?
Woman to woman.
When we
I'm peeing
ask-
my pants. I
listen,
literally peed.
Listen.
So sorry.
Listen to me.
Yes, I'm sorry. Please.
We didn't want it. Ma'am, stand up.
I'm
Stand
praying.
up.
I'm praying.
Stand
I'm
up. Listen
praying.
to me.
I'm begging you guys.
We didn't
I'm
want it
begging.
to get to this
I know.
point.
I'm sorry. I'm
The
begging
thing
you.
is, the captain pointed you out.
I get it.
And said that you were
Okay.
the issue.
Okay.
Now, yes or no, we asked you to leave to get
Okay,
out
you're
the
right. I
jetway.
should have left.
And you said
You're right.
no, you didn't
You're
want
right.
to leave.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Okay?
Okay. I
Now-
should have left.
The moment that he says, the person that is for the airline, says that they don't want
Please.
you here, and you're still
Okay,
refusing.
you're right. I just
that's
trying to
now
talk
a
about
trespass after warning.
Okay. Okay.
And that is why you're in the cuffs right now.
Because I was trespassing.
The moment he told you to leave and
I
you
should've
didn't want to
left.
leave, that's now
You're
a
right.
trespass after
You're
warning.
right. I'm so sorry.
And knowing the situation that you're in,
sorry.
because you said you don't have a job right now, right?
Right now, no one
You
knows.
don't have any income.
I live in Los Angeles.
This would not be the best
No,
situation
you're
you're going to
right.
put yourself in.
You're right.
But unfortunately, you did.
This was so
Okay.
dumb of me. I'm so
You get a
sorry.
statement from him?
Yep,
I'm
you
so
got it.
sorry. Officers.
Are you going to be good here?
Please, please,
All right.
please, please.
Let me know if you need anything.
I'm praying. I'm praying. I'm praying.
Erica, you gotta go. The decision's already been made.
No, please, guys, please, 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 guys, please stop, please. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. There's no way. This is real. I can't. I'm so sorry.
Spat.
Adams. No, I'm so sorry. What happens? I don't even know how this is gonna be handled. My mom's gonna pick me up. How is this?
Sure.
How much is this gonna be?
$500.
Oh my god. What's gonna happen after that?
From here, I've got a car coming with a cage in it. You're gonna sit in the back seat of the car. We're gonna go to the jail. You're gonna get fingerprinted and photographed. And then you wait until your mom comes and bonds you out of jail. The bond's $500, and then when you bond out of jail, they'll give you a court date to appear.
And then what?
Depends on you. You plead guilty or no contest, it's over with. If you plead not guilty, I'll come to court, you come to court, I'll bring the video, the guy from Southwest will come, and we'll let them, the jury decide whether you're guilty or not.
So sorry, Officer Adams.
Erica, it is what it is. It's nothing personal.
I don't have my phone, so I don't know who to. I can't call
Your phone's
anybody.
in the bag, right?
I'm
That's
so
gonna stay
sorry
with
this
you.
happened.
That's gonna stay with you.
I'm so sorry this happened. It was a misunderstanding. I swear it was a misunderstanding.
Well, I told you to leave.
I should have left.
You should have left.
I'm so sorry.
I'm a police officer. Go to the light. Make a left. Go through the door.
Thank you.
Yep. No, right here. Yes, sir. On the 122 side.
I should have left.
Yes,
I was just trying to talk to you guys about this. I wanted to.
No,
just
you
get
didn't
in.
want to talk to
You're
us.
right. Because I know people were taking photos of me. Didn't you see a guy with a Canon camera?
I didn't pay attention. Because people take photos of us all the time. I don't pay attention to cameras. We get videoed every day. I have a video camera.
Officer. Please, I'm at your mercy.
I have a job to do.
I'm at your mercy.
I have a job to do.
I know, but like,
I'm not going to get in trouble to keep you out of trouble.
Please, for the
I'm
love
not
of
going
God,
to get in trouble.
I'm 32 years old.
Okay.
I have no one in my life. I don't need this.
I'm not going to get in trouble.
I won't do anything. Please, I will never let this happen again.
I'm
please.
not going to get in trouble to let you stay out of trouble.
But
it's not going to happen.
Officer Adams, this is everything.
I've already said that you were under arrest over the radio.
Please,
Everybody and their brother.
Apologize
everybody heard
to the
it.
world. I'm so sorry.
No, ma'am, it doesn't work like that.
Officer, please.
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry I left. This isn't right.
We dragged you.
Because
kicking and screaming, literally.
I'm sorry, okay? This cannot happen to me. This can't be my life. This cannot happen. I don't have anything. I don't know my mom's phone number. I don't know anyone's number.
It's in your phone.
So I have to get my phone?
Your phone stays with you.
So I'm in trouble for what?
For not leaving.
For not leaving. Officer, I left. You didn't have to arrest me for this.
Over there.
This doesn't have to be an arrest. This doesn't have to be an arrest.
Okay, have a seat right here for me.
What you're getting in?
Please, this doesn't need to be an arrest. This doesn't, please. Hi, boss.
Okay.
How are you?
Stay in the car.
Okay.
You have to go.
Oh.
He's my boss.
Please. I'm so
I have
sorry.
a boss to answer
I'm so
to.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
You had the chance to go once you're arrested.
I should have went. I should have left. But for God's sake, like, I'm so sorry. This is from the bottom of my heart. This will never, ever never happen again. I'm praying to God.
I believe you.
I'm at the mercy of you. This cannot happen.
No mercy.
Right now.
It's the law.
That's what I said.
I messed up. I shouldn't have
It's
done
nothing
that.
personal.
I should have just left. But
It's
to be
nothing
honest,
personal, Erica.
You're right.
Not personal.
I was wrong.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
So you have to go. So watch your foot.
Please, I just want to go home.
Watch your foot.
But please, what's your name?
Goodwin.
Officer Goodwin, please. I'm telling you, it's a day before Valentine's Day. I don't even have a date. Like,
Watch your foot.
I just wanted to just go home.
Watch your foot.
I'm alone.
Erica, put your foot in the car. Do it now. Put your foot in the car and do it now. Thank you.
She was charged with simple trespassing, resisting an officer without violence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.